So from the chapter number 1, rational number, we left with only test yourself. Now we will begin from the first question. Multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. And here in that first question is 0 by 5 is a rational number and 0 by 8 is a rational number. Then when we will divide 0 by 5 divided by 0 by 8, what we will get? That we will check it, okay? Now to simplify this, what we will do, we will convert this division sign to multiplication, right? So when we will convert from division to multiplication, here it is reciprocals happen, so it will become 8 by 0, okay? As you can see here, 0 into 8 we will get 0, 5 into 0 0. See here, as we know that we can write 0 in the numerator plus, we cannot write 0 in the denominator place, okay? Now let's check the options, what and all they have given. See here, an irrational number. No, that is not possible. Why? Because we are not going to consider any zeros in the denominator. A rational number, obviously it is not there. Only 0, no, and it is undefined. Yes, this is option D is undefined. If it is only 0 in the numerator, then we would have say that option C is the correct answer. But still we have a 0 in the denominator. Whenever we will be having a 0 in the denominator, we will say that is undefined only, okay? So since the option D is the correct answer for this. Question number 2. A and B are two rational numbers such that A plus B equals to 0. What they are saying, when we will add two rational numbers, that they have given A plus B, when we will add these two rational numbers, no, we are getting answer what is 0. So in that first option they are saying A equals to option A equals to B. No, when I'll send B to right side, it will become minus B. So A option is not a possible. Now let's check with option B. What they are saying, A and B are numerically equal. If it is numerically equally, for example, in the place of A, I'll take 2. If it is A, it is 2, B will become also what? 2. Why? Because they are saying A and B are numerically equal. So when I'll add 2 plus 2, I'll get 4. But they are saying when we will add, we are getting 0. Again, the B is not possible. Okay, now let's check with the option C. A and B are numerically equal but opposite in a sign. So let me take numerical same 2 but opposite in sign. As in the equation we are having plus, no, one is plus 2, let me place another one is minus 2. Okay, now see here, plus minus I'll get minus, and here 2 as it is. Now 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Yes, we got, hence option C is the correct answer for this. Option C is the correct answer for this, okay? Question number 3. The product of rational number 3 by 8 and its additive inverse is C. Into this question they are talking about product. Product means what we have to do? We have to do obviously multiplication. Multiplication of which rational number? One is 3 by 8. One is 3 by 8 and its additive inverse. Additive inverse means what will happen? Only the sign we have to write with the opposite sign. So it will become minus 3 by 8. Okay, when I will do multiplication of this, 3 3 is a 9, 8 8 is a 64. And here it is having a negative sign. So which option is correct now? Option D is the correct answer for this. Okay. Now question number 4. The sum of rational number 2 by 3 and its reciprocal is. See, in this question they are talking about sum. Sum means what we have to do? We have to do addition, obviously. Okay. The sum of rational number, one rational number, that is 2 by 3, and its reciprocal. Its reciprocal we will get, that is 3 by 2. So this addition we have to do, yes or no? So 3 and 2 is LCM, we will get 6. 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Now 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9. Okay, now let me do addition. After addition, how much I'll get? I'll get 9, 10, 13. So 13 by 6. Okay, but okay, now we will convert to the mixed form for this. So what we have to do? We have to divide 13 by 6, right? 6 2 is 12. After subtraction, what left? 1. So this 13 by 6 we can write 2 1 by 6. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 6. So option, which option we can say now? Option B is the correct answer for this. Now look at the question number 5. They are talking the product of two rational number is minus 1 if one of them is 2 by 5, then the other is. See here they are talking about product. Product means what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. The product of two rational numbers. Two rational numbers, when we will do multiplication, no, we are getting answer that is minus 1, and out of these two rational number, one rational number has been given, that is 2 by 5, and we have to find another one, right? So when we will be not knowing other one, we will consider it as x. Now to simplify x, what we can do? Let me write minus 1 as it is. I'm sending 2 by 5 to right side. So when I'll send, it will become 5 by 2. Okay, now see here, 5 into 1 5, and in the denominator only 2. Here it is negative sign, minus plus minus. So our option is option number C. Okay, minus 5 by 2 that is. Now question number 6, statement for a rational number, and rational number has been given, that is 7 by 9. So when we will subtract 7 by 9 minus 0, answer we will get obviously same answer only. But when we will interchange the places of this, like 0 minus 7 by 9, I am going to get answer. What I will get? I will get minus 7 by 9. Here I was getting only 7 by 9, but here I am getting minus 7 by 9. So hence what they are telling, let me see next what they are telling. Sorry, hence subtraction has only right identity. What you say? Yes, because identity means what we will say? We will say with a opposite sign or different number. Here we are getting same only, but then this is not possible. Here we are getting with the here the question rational number is what? That is 7 by 9, and after subtraction with 0, I mean 0 minus 7 by 9, we are getting now minus 7 by 9. So what it is having? It is having only right side identity. Yes. Now statement 2, subtraction has no identity. Which of the following option is correct? So in the option 1, there is statement 1, they are saying that subtraction has only right identity. In statement 2, they are telling that subtraction has a no identity. Now let me see which one is the correct. Both statement are true. No, that is wrong. Why? Because only statement 1 is a right. Okay, both statement are false. No, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is a false. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Now the next one is assertions and reasoning. Okay, now see here, the following questions are assertions, reason based questions. Choose your answers based on the quotes given below. Here the quotes has been given, okay, like here. So on that options we have to choose here. Now see here, first one is assertion A, additive inverse of 2 by 5 is minus 5 by 2. They are telling, okay, so question is what? 2 by 5. So they are talking about additive inverse. Additive inverse means the numbers will remain same, that is 2 by 5, only the sign is going to change. Like here it is nothing, it is there means there will be plus, now it will become what? Minus, but they are talking minus 5 by 2. Since assertion, this one is either we can say incorrect or we can say this is false. Okay, now let me go to the reasoning. That is R, for every non-zero rational numbers a comma minus a such that, okay, they are talking about this equation now, a minus a equal. So when we will simplify, they are telling we will get answer 0. Now let's check, plus minus minus a equals to a minus a. What is this? Is plus a minus a. Obviously we will get 0, since this statement is what? Either we can say correct or we can say this is true. Now let's check the these codes they have told. No, so both a and r are correct. No, because first one we found that is incorrect. Now both a and r correct. Again this is wrong. Okay, they're telling third one a is a true but r is false. No, this is not possible. Ask question, a is a false, yes, we found that is false, and r is a true, yes, we false, that is true. Hence which answer we will get now? Option D is the correct answer for this. Okay, option D for this question. Okay, now next question is question number 8, assertion multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by e is minus 5 by 7. Yeah, that is true. Why? Because in multiplicative, I mean in multiplication, what we will do to write the inverse, we will do the reciprocal of that number. Yes, hence it is true. Now reason R, for every non-zero rational numbers, they are talking about example now a, their rational numbers. Okay, there is a rational number 1 by a such that when we will do like a into 1 by a, now a get cancels, what left? 1. So hence this is what again? True. Okay, hence this is also what? True. Now we will see the options, like they given the codes. No, now both a and r are correct. Yes, that is true. R is the correct explanation for a. Why? Because a, in the a they are talking about minus 7 by 5, right? So when we will do the inverse of this multiplicative inverse, we will get minus 5 by 7. So when I'll do the cancellation, so what we will get? Minus minus get cancelled, what I will get? 1. Here it was also they are talking about, they know that only in the reasons. Hence for this both a and r are the correct. Yes, and r is the correct explanation for a according to this. Okay, hence for this option then we have, that is a. Option A is the correct answer for this. Okay, now question number 9, assertion 1 by 2 plus 2 equals to 5 by 2, which is a rational number. Now let's do the simplification of this. That we have 1 by 2 plus 2 equals to, they are telling that is 5 by 2. Okay, nothing it is there, let me place here 2 and 1's LCM, we will get 2. Now here 2 1's are 2, 1 2's are 2, 1 into 1 1 plus 2 2's are 4. Okay, Okay, now 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 5 by 2, and we found 5 by 2. It means LHS equals to RH. Hence, what they have given the reasons, that is true. It is true, or we can say correct. Okay, now let's go to the reason. Reason: if P by Q and R by S are any two rational number, then P by Q plus R by S is equals to, here what they have changed? Here they have changed the places of the rational numbers. But in the addition, whenever we will change the places of the rational numbers and we will simplify, we will get the answer same as we have studied in the exercise 1a. Okay, so from this we will get LHS equals to RHS, right? Okay, first code. Both A and R correct. Yes, we found correct, but they are telling R is the correct explanation for E. No, that is not true. Why? Because here we have done just simplified. By taking LCM, we have just simplified. But according to the reason, what we have to do, we have to change the places, and we are supposed to simplify. But according to that, this is not true. Okay, because we are not proved by using the reason here. Because the reason is saying that is about the commutative property. Okay, both A and R are correct, and R is not the correct explanation for A. Yes, that is true. Okay, so option code 2 is the correct. Now let's check the option, which one is that. So from this, option B is the correct answer for this. Question number 10, last question we have. 0 and 11 by 12 are two rational numbers. Yes, numbers and 11 by 12 is not equals to 0. Then 0 divided by 11 by 12 equals to 0, a rational number. Now let's simplify. Okay, so when we will divide 0 divided by 11 by 12, they are telling we will get answer 0. Okay, now to simplify, we will convert this division to multiplication. So I'll get 12 by 11. Why? Because we have to do reciprocal here. Now whenever we will do multiplication, any number with 0, we will get answer obviously 0. Again, 0 is what? It's a rational number. Yes, only we will not consider 0 in the denominator, like 1 by 0. This is not a rational number. Okay, and we will say this is undefined. Now what is the reason? If A is a rational number, if a rational number is divided by some non-zero rational number, the result is always a rational number. Yes, you can take any, like 2 divided by 3, 2, you'll get a rational number only. You divide 10 divided by 5, you'll get obviously rational number only. So that only they are telling. Okay, now let's check the codes what they have given. Now in this, both A and R correct. Yes, from this we found both A and R correct, and R is the correct explanation for A. Why? Because whenever we will do division, we will get always rational number only. Okay, here also 0 also we got rational number, so reason is the correct explanation for assertion here. Since from this we can say option code A is the 1 is the correct answer. Now let's check in the options. So option A is the correct answer for this.